early morning shit. Still out in the morning. Car right here. So it's my little list. So usually I have like a little list and shit that I go through before I make a video. You know what I'm saying? That's what helps me out the most. Like I make my little list and shit, and once I got my list in, it's like, oh, it's lit. You feel me? So, I'm on my car right now. Got to see this little thing right here. So I'm gonna go over how to trade forex while you have a job. About to go to Starbucks and shit. That's what I do in the morning, man. So you guys, you get to go through a day in the life with me. You feel me? So let me start on my car and shit. I'll start it up now. So let me start up the car. I'm gonna go to the front, drop my top, and I'll be back once we drop the top and we're gonna get into the video. Yeah, dig? Yo, so the first part of being able to trade forex with a job, you gotta understand, man, a job is literally taking a lot of your time, okay? So what you need to do, like literally listen to me, what you need to do is do a nightly analysis. You know what I'm saying? Like do analysis the night before. Already have your charts marked up the night before. It's literally gonna make it that much easier for you, you know? Because look, what you don't want to be doing is trying to trade and work at the same time, because your mind is not going to be in the right place. So a lot of people, you guys do have jobs and stuff, and you're not putting the time aside to literally do what you need to do. So you need to put time aside. I don't know if it's on your lunch break. I don't know if it's an hour before your job. You know, you have to put time aside at the end of the day. You know what I'm saying? Because this foreign exchange thing, you're not gonna get it overnight. It's really hard. And nah, it's simple. I'm fucking with you. It's really simple, but you're not gonna get it overnight. All right. But like I said, man, the number one thing that you need to do is just have your ducats in order. You know, do your nightly analysis. Already know what you're looking for the night before. So as soon as you wake up in the morning, either you can have alerts set in or something, or whatever it is. But as soon as you wake up in the morning, you're looking at your charts and you're just able to take your position. Boom. You know, because you've done the nightly analysis. I'm top drop right now. You know what I'm saying? Regular shit, man. But because you did your nightly analysis, I got my little paper right here. This is how I make my videos. I'm at a red light right now. I'm about to go to Starbucks. So this is how I make my little videos. So my next thing is, if you can't give 100% attention, or you don't see your setup, then don't trade. So like I was saying, like this thing is really time consuming. Like forex, it is time consuming when you're just trying to learn. All right. The reason I'm not looking at the camera because I'm driving. Got my camera right here, you know. But the reason forex is like, it is what it is, because you guys got to put the time in, and if you can't give 100% time and effort to something, then you're literally not going to become successful. And you're like, yo, Ty, what do you mean? Like literally, if you can't put 100% time and effort in, then you're not going to become successful. This shit is going to require you to be somebody different if you've never done something like this before. What I mean is, like, the decisions you are making on your job, you're not going to be able to make those decisions in the foreign exchange industry, because hey, it's literally an entirely different industry. Okay, so give this thing 100% of your focus. Give this thing 100% of your attention. Okay, especially if you want to become successful at this. If not, you know, don't even pay attention to it. What's the point of paying attention to this shit when you could be working? You feel me? But if this is something that you want to do, then you need it's going to require your attention. Okay, so I'm about to pull into Starbucks real quick. So give me a second so I can park. Like, damn, bro, be really doing the car joints. Like, I really be doing the car joints, bro, because it's so much easier for me to literally just do this while I'm out than to just be at the house, because I'm usually never home. And this Starbucks fucks with me. I don't have to put my top back on. Park real quick. So we just park real quick. All right, so I'm at Starbucks right now. Everybody's looking outside. It's fucking crazy. It is what it is. Park. All right. So let me pull out, I got my paper right here. So next, all right, so set aside time to focus. Now what I mean is, like, a lot of you guys don't set aside time to focus on what it is that you need to do. And shit, you don't set aside time to focus, period, though. So if you really want to master this forex thing and master your craft, you need to set aside that time every single day to really review and research that Understand the Japanese Candlesticks video. You need to review and research, you know, how to trade Forex, glossaries. You can find definitions. There's so much research you could be doing every single day to forward your Forex career. But I know something about you. You're probably not doing it. You're probably looking at your charts like, oh man, I don't know. But you're not doing enough research. You're not a student of the game. So if you want to win, you literally have to become a student of the game. The reason I got so far is because I literally fucking eat, slept, and fucking breathe Forex, and that's just what it was for the past almost 10 years, you know. So you guys, if you want to get to that level, if you want to increase your level, if you want to increase how far you go up, then I mean, at the end of the day, you're going to have to put in more work. I don't know what else to fucking tell you. I know you guys are looking for the shortcut, the Instagram niggas, and showed you can flip your account from 1,000 to 30,000 in one day. You know what I'm saying? Or in 2 and 3 days, and that's what you've been sold on. And then you get into the market and you're trying to flip your account, and then you blow your shit. Only because they've blown their shit 70 times, and then they only showed you the time that they're profitable. But that's, you know, that's beyond me. But like I said, if you guys want to, if you really want to be successful at anything, you need to set aside the time to become successful at that thing that you want to be, become successful at. Fucking seagulls, they might shit in my car. But yeah, so what's the number 4? Number 4 is you got to get out trades quickly. So if you got a job, yeah, you can trade long term, and that may work. You know, trading off the hour, trading off the 4, and then you check it in 4 hours, you check it in 5 or 6 hours, you check your trade after you do what you need to do. Or you can come in the market like, yo, I'm only gonna make, my goal is 20 and 30 pips a day. Bro, 20 and 30 pips a day on a one lot is like $300 a day. $300 a day times 30 is fucking 9 grand. Okay, no, there's not 30 days that you can actually trade, but I'm just putting it into perspective for you on how you can make yourself a quick 10 grand a month if you just made 300 a day. $100 a day, you feel me, times 30. I'm just using 30 days as an example. I know it's not 30 trading days, but $100 a day times 30 is 3 grand a month. So I'm giving you guys the math on how you can do this. So you don't need the bullshit fluff that they're selling you. Your compounding plan needs to be literally on like 10 or 20 pips. Make your money, get on. You could even shoot for 30 pips, you know what I'm saying? 20, 30 pips, make your money and get on. But the whole goal is to like make your money and to get on. The longer that you're in the foreign exchange, the more you're gonna lose money. Point blank period. That's just what it is. All right. So right now, flip it around. I'm at Starbucks. All right. So I'm at the Starbucks over here. So I'm about to go in, get me and my girl some Starbucks and go on my day. You feel me? So you guys, like I said, I'm literally bored of making these foreign exchange videos. So you wonder, oh, why you're not dropping every day? Because I'm fucking bored, bro. It's literally boring me. It's boring me. So yeah, so I'm about to get my Starbucks. Another one of these boring ass Forex videos. Hopefully this shit help. This is how to trade Forex while you guys have a 9-to-5 job. I know a lot of people are out there working and shit, man, but there's ways to get out of the rat race. I know everybody's focused on Forex, but there's a trillion hustles online. Maybe it's just Forex isn't for you right now. Maybe you're supposed to start a business or start something and then come back to the game. But there's different approaches to this foreign exchange game. You just have to figure out your approach. You know what I'm saying? I'm giving you 1,001 approaches on how to do it, but I don't know. It's your boy Ty, man. I'm about to go enjoy my day. I see y'all. Peace.